Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the factors that insurance company use to determine auto insurance rates. First, number of years licensed and insured. In the years that you have been insured in your jurisdiction, have you and had any accidents or convictions in the form of speeding tickets or other related traffic violation? These records are looked at by companies to determine if you are a higher risk driver and more likely to get into accident. If you have a cleaner record, you are likely to pay a lower premium than someone with accident and tickets on their record. The second, the area are you live in. One of the factors insurance companies use to determine premium in the area you live in. People who live in larger cities are likely to pay higher premium than people who live in smaller cities. Highly populated areas tend to see more accidents because there are more road users. These areas also tend to see more vandalism and theft claims. For example, if you live in a city of about 1 million people, if you are likely to pay a higher premium than someone who lives in a city about 30,000 people. The third is the kind of car you drive. The year, make and model of the vehicle you drive could potentially affect your premiums. Insurance companies look at the likelihood of your car being in an accident, how often such cars are stolen, vandalized, extent of damage, and what the repair or replacement cost is likely to be. The higher it costs an insurance company to repair or replace your vehicle, the higher the premium you will pay. The fourth is car usage. What you use your car for affects your premium. For example, if you are driving to and from work every day, there is a higher chance of an accident compared to if you are using your car just to go grocery shopping or visit friends occasionally. Since you are commuting to and from work every day, you pose a higher risk, so you'll pay a higher premium than someone using their car for pleasure use only. Some people use their car for some occasionally business like a ride-sharing business. If you use your car for Uber or Lyft, some insurance company that accept this type of risk will charge you an additional premium. The fifth is age and gender. Teenage drivers are more likely to be in car accidents than mature drivers. For some insurance company, drivers below the age of 25 pay a higher premium and start to see a decrease in premium after they have clocked like 25. The more mature you become, the less risk you pose of being in car accident due to having a longer history of safe driving skills. Thus, the lower your auto insurance premium. The sixth is marital status. Something as simple as your marital status can affect the amount of money you pay for car insurance. If you are married, you may pay a lower premium than someone who is single. Some studies have shown that people who are married tend to adopt more responsible driving habits than people who are still single. This varies from company to company, as not all insurance companies consider marital status as a factor. The next is coverage and deductibles. Some coverage are mandatory, some optional. The coverage you choose will determine the amount of premium you pay. For example, if you purchase a vehicle and decide to go with the most basic insurance coverage required for you to be able to drive your vehicle, you may pay a lower premium than someone who decides to go with full insurance coverage. A deductible is the portion an insurance company requires you to pay out of pocket in an event of a loss. This can also be deducted from your claim payment during a claim settlement. If you choose a higher deductible, the lower premium you will pay. For example, in most parts of Canada, auto coverage such as all perils, specified perils, collision, and comprehensive requires a deductible. If you choose a higher deductible for any of these coverage, you are likely to pay a lower premium than someone with a lower deductible. The last is credit score. Some insurance companies use your credit history as a factor in determining the amount of premium you pay. They might run a soft credit check with your consent. If your credit score is good, You might get a lower premium than someone whose credit score is bad. Uh, I think that's all the explanation that I can share to you. I hope this can help you to give you more sight about information about insurance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about restaurant insurance and the average cost. So what does restaurant insurance cover? General liability insurance is perhaps the most important coverage in restaurant insurance policy. Because your customer are consuming foods and beverage, you are always at risk of being sued if someone says your food made them sick. And then the next is discussion. Liability insurance also covers you if someone is injured in your restaurant, or if your business is legally liable for property damage to someone else. The liability portion in a BOP can also provide you with funds to pay a settlement or court judgment and can offer you lower fees. A BOP also provides commercial property insurance. This covers damage to the restaurant building, if you own it, and other property such as kitchen equipment. Other coverage types that you may want for restaurants insurance are business interruption insurance. If your business cannot open due to a problem covered by your policy, like a fire, business interruption insurance helps replace you lost income and other expenses, such as relocation costs to a temporary location. The next is commercial crime insurance. Crime-related problems such as burglary, forgery, fraud, including computer fraud, robbery, and employee dishonesty are typically not covered by commercial property insurance. Commercial crime insurance covers this type of problem and can help your restaurants recover from crime-related commercial losses. Extra expense insurance pays expenses such as rent for temporary quarters, food contamination endorsement. If your restaurant is shut down by a health board due to a foodborne illness outbreak, this cover expenses such as lost income, replacing contaminated food, medical tests and vaccinations for employees, equipment cleaning, and advertising to restore your restaurant's reputation. The next is food spoilage coverage. Cover the cost of food you lost to an incident beyond your control, such as a long power outage or refrigerator equipment failure. The next is liquor liability coverage. Liquor liability insurance covers bodily injury or property damage caused by drunk customer who has served the liquor at your business. The next is mechanical breakdown. Covers the cost of repairing the breakdown to everything from your boilers and piping to electrical machines. And then the next is worker compensation insurance. If your employee gets sick or injured while performing job-related duties, workers' compensation insurance helps cover the cost of expenses such as medical bills, physical therapy, lost wages, disability, and death benefits. Most states require business to buy workers' comp, even if you only have one employee. And then how much does restaurant insurance cost? Expect to pay about $175 a month for business owners policy with $1 million in liability insurance, according to insurer. And the cost of restaurant insurance varies depending on several factors, including the type of facility you own, where the restaurant is located, the amount of coverage you need, and the value of your business property. And then why is restaurant insurance important? If you own a restaurant, the odds are good that it is a main or only source of income in your life. Imagine an event that caused the restaurant to suddenly shut down or be sued. Could you finally survive? If so, for how long? And then with a proper business insurance, you can financially recover in the wake of disasters such as a fire that destroys your business. In addition, restaurant insurance provides the funding to keep your business afloat if someone sues you. I think that's all the information that I can share to you about restaurant insurance. Maybe you need this kind of information. You can also find another topic in another video. And if you are looking for information about insurance, you are in the right channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.